Just continue in Sontake sir what say. Then Sontake sir say कि I give one activity for you. You are done or not? Everyone say yes, done. How many people done in one activity? What is the activity? Sir is giving me activity in based in the form tender in a linear diagram. I also draw in classroom before 1 hour. I draw in the classroom. That reason I don't know what is a diagram and what is a work. Then it's in a it's say कि who person is a confident कि I explain in a properly no any in everyone all of it and clearly just in the Sora is say कि yes sir I am very confident for this topic. Then in the Sora is a cam and this first she draw the all for draw the in the diagram and then explain what Sora not properly explain in this to say कि why you are not this is not true. Then everyone say and that type of this and then decide कि today start in revision today start in revision yes. So first topic in just start in revision. First topic in water spray system and who first income first I do not yes first Yuvraj income then Yuvraj just say Yuvraj stand you are come and with your classroom study a classroom notebook and in classroom notebook you are explain what you are write and read and learn in classroom. Then just little bit say and in just कि stain pipe in what is a stain pipe and two type and then I don't know what was. And second second this is completed and second water spray system. Water spray system who is come I don't know who person is a water spray system is a cam. Then water spray system what is a water spray system and then topic is that revision. But if you what is a water spray system in lower medium and medium and high and water spray system क्या तो water spray system is a fixed pipe installation and with a water supply with a pipe and distributing different type of nozzle that type of an open and mixed water spray system that type of and mixed water spray system in dividing in the based on the size how many size right now for you right now I am for you because I not learn and that region I forget and you recall first you recall. If you not understood if you not explain then definitely you not will success. I recall it's okay don't worry in ultraviolet then not recall I write about not recall is okay but you just that too 1 hour before you read in stain pipe yes. First of all, what is stain pipe? Stain pipe is a fixed water supply system and is connected hose, firefighting wall, connected pump, that type and that is on and a PA14 and a PA14 and this and then when and a PA14 and then and a PA14 and then how and a PA14 yes type how you work and type how you like types of standby force in the and weight system and manual weight system and automatic weight system and dry automatic dry system and semi-automatic dry system, manual dry system and dry system and combined system. and the second classification, class A, class B, class A in a 65 mm, and mostly used in a high-rise building, and full scale and the far of the system. And second class B in the used in the 40 mm, and he is required in a training, not non-training person not used. And third is a class B, class 3. Class 3 is a combined class A and class B, both are combined. And this, and then water supply, and according to NFP, according to NFP, according to NFPA 20 water supply system, NFPA 20. And then I not recall the what type what system, but in the power supply in the minimum required in 30 minute in the supply. And the zone is dividing in the dividing in a vertical, in a suppressed fire system. And second analyze divide in the building in the zone, divide in the building in the zone types. And third is this, and sizing means it is mostly in the what vertical, common, and horizontal very little in the piping and sizing. And third losses in the horizontal billion losses. And this losses in the depend on the pipe size, wall, and the type and the height. Last is in this power, जो discharge velocity के proportional, and power velocity के cube, and pressure velocity के square. And then in the second I lost in the little bit moving in automobile. In automobile, I just say today in Nakul sir teach me in automobile air brake system. In the what air brake system mostly used in the heavy vehicle, truck, bus, and that type of use. And what is a component? First is a component of foot brake, and foot brake in the connected in the delivery were front component, front end fundament brake, and rear fundament in brake. And this in is a governor and governor line, and the reservoir, and the discharge line, and the safety valve, and discharge, and that type of building. And this is working in the पैडल पुश, अगर पैडल पुश करते हैं तो हमारा ब्रेक लगता है, पैडल पुश करते हैं तो ब्रेक लगता है, एंड पैडल को अगर रिलीज करते हैं तो हमारा ब्रेक नहीं लगता. एंड एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज इज ओके दिस इज ओके because this I recall immediately. That type is enough. If I revision, then I recall in a break. Okay. Bye.